Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing my niece's hair. She has a lot of shrinkage, so we decided to do African threading just to stretch the hair a little bit before proceeding to doing the Bantu knots. So in this video I'm going to be doing Bantu knots on her very short natural hair. So yeah, I'm going to be working in sections, so I'll just unravel the section I want to do the knots on, and then when I'm done with that section, before I move to the next and unravel. I don't want to unravel all the African threading because I don't want the entire hair to just shrink. What I'm applying now to her hair is a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I'll go ahead and apply some leave-in conditioner to her hair, and then I'll follow up with a Bantu coconut curly cream. I know Bantu is cancelled, but this is their only product that doesn't dry out my hair. But yeah, it's been at home for a long time, so I just decided to use it. And let's see how that turns out. So it's the next day and her hair is completely dry, and it's time for us to unravel the Bantu knots. So yeah, that's what we're just going to go ahead and do. But first I'm going to apply some hair butter to her hair to give it some shine, and also just to reduce friction between my hands and her hair when I take it down. So as I was unraveling the knots, and I decided to just twirl it a little around my fingers to keep the definition intact, I realized that her hair was giving me the finger curls vibe. So I just decided to continue doing that. So in the end, I think we kind of got like a finger curl kind of pattern.
So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up.